What is your full name?
My name is Nizari Setiawan.
Okay, where do you live?
I live at Bondowoso, Situbondo, Bondowoso Street, Kalipitan, Bondowoso.
Okay, good. How do you go to REC?
I come here the motorcycle.
And how old are you?
I am 15 years old.
Okay, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is real food.
And what is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is mineral water.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is running.
Running. Where do you study?
I study at SMA Bondowoso.
Okay, what is your father's job?
My father's job is a nurse.
Okay, what is your mother's job?
My father's job
My
is,
mother's?
My mother's job is a dentist.
Okay, do you have brother?
I have one brother.
What do you want to be?
I
I want.
I want to be a doctor.
Okay, thank you.